Ideally, you'd be scoring 8 or less with this. Keep yourself safe.
That's going to happen.
Midnight.
I'm going to go for the second one down. US talk show host. And I think it's Jerry Springer.
Okay, Jerry Springer, says Rob. Here is your red line. If you get below that with Jerry Springer, you're in the next round. Let's see how many people said it. Is it right? It is Jerry Springer.
You smell the...
10. I think that's good enough. Takes your total up to 20.
I think it's Capricorn, eh?
That's a great answer, Rob. Well played, dear.
Highgate Tube Station.
I didn't know that. Yeah.
This is a very, very long way for that Kennington train.
Yeah.
Midnight.
In a handbag?
His mum wasn't even pregnant when they...
I would like to eat. Midnight. You're sitting on my neck.
No, it's what it's been used as a...
Yeah,
as a
she's sitting on my neck. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm looking at my food. That's the problem, eh?
If you can possibly score 13 or less.
Right, that's better.
Yourself,
Oh,
so
you go off there. You got shoo-shoo.
There's a couple there that I think I know, but I'm going to try the Australian actress. I think that's Rebel Wilson.
Rebel Wilson.
There's some witches up there. Oh, yeah.
Bit higher, but let's see if you can get
We're
near
going
that.
to have a lot of fun. Oh, shut up, Fia. I'm going to eat. Stop it, Fia. That's a Lithuanian witch, that is. Ah, yes. Witches and cats go together. Ah. You've obviously got an affinity with the Lithuanian witch, eh? Black cats. Oh la la. Midnight it is. Midnight tonight, you're going to turn into a pumpkin. Eh? Hmm?
There we are. Thank you. Oh, this is getting very... It's always like everyone coming together.
Midnight.
Of strands here, Christine.
The only one I knew was the Rebel Wilson.
Well, 12th of December 2017, we have a 6 or 7 week old kitten. We won't hold it against her that she was found abandoned in Wrexham with her brother. But he got picked up quicker than you because he had white. He was white and black. A black cat, eh? Oh, that's for witches. We're white witches, though. Well, got black dogs. What's that supposed to be? Oh, that's my temperature thing. God almighty, it's back to front. Yes, you like the Lithuanian witches. Go and play with your ball. Go on. Shoo. Don't come over this way, because the dogs are this way. Hmm? I'm coming. Come in. Go on. Come on. Oh, la, 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 la. Come on. If you want to pee, there's water. Yeah, there's not much interest in that, are we? Hey. Right. Talk. There's no point talking to you about toilet times, is it? Hmm? Right, well, I'm leaving you.